Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about type checking, more specifically using the type of function with type checking on Roblox, right? And real quickly, I'll just kind of explain what types are. If you already know what they are, I'll try to be quick with this. So let's open up a script, right? And we're just going to use a function today. You can set types with variables, but we're just going to talk about functions. So let's say we make a function, do something and let's pass thing, and we're going to set the type to string, which is what we're doing here. As you can see, we had the little colon string. What you're basically doing is saying thing is a, imagine the colon stands for is a, so thing is a string, right? And the cool thing about this is it basically lets you know if things are wrong with your code, like if you're doing something wrong, if you're trying to do something to, thing that you can't do to a string. So like if you're doing like if thing plus 1 does equal 2, then do whatever. You can see a little orange underline here, right? Under thing, and if you hover over it, it literally tells you, hey, type error, type string cannot be converted into number. It's basically letting you know, hey, this is a string, you're trying to add it, that's not supposed to happen. And it works also if you're trying to call the function and put like 1, right? Hover over it, type number could not be converted into string, right? And it only works if you like pass a string, so thing. So pretty cool, right? That's basically types. That's a summary of types with functions specifically in, a minute 45 seconds. Anyways, so today we're going to be talking about with instances though, and something really cool that you can do with type checking on instances. So let's say we have a model, right? Let's create a little model here in the workspace. Let's add a part, and then let's just add like a particle emitter to this model. Let's disable it. Basically, we're going to emit from this particle emitter, right, within the model. So let's create a little function, emit from model, and then we want to get the model, define it, obviously, because model is a model, and then in the function, we're just going to, emit from the particle. But here's the thing. If we do model dot, right, you can see all the awesome like model properties like parent, name, primary part, all these things it could do. You can also see the methods like pivot to, get pivot, right? But the thing is, you can't see the children of it like this, right? So like model dot part, right, it's not showing up. And then like particle emitter, if you try to do this, here's the thing, it's actually gonna tell you basically like, hey, this part doesn't exist. You're trying to get part. Like that's not a property, right? See key part not found in class model, right? So the solution to this, so that you don't get this little underline and everything can be good, is you use type of on the actual model. So you can actually go here and basically do type of workspace dot model. So now if you type model here dot, you can literally see part show up. And then you can get that, and then you can get the particle emitter. And then you can emit, right? And then emit 10 or whatever. And it's really that simple. So like with type checking, if you just use type of, like in this case, it literally gives you like all of its descendants, all that, right? Everything to do with that instance. Instead of just defining it as a model, you can do this. But yeah, overall, it's really that simple. You just use type of. Pretty short video, I guess, but yeah, that's all for me today, and I'll catch you all next time.